top, and then to the high of the structure you've got 1.9, so you can manage that easily. And then just to the first inflection point you've got 4 to 1, and that could easily break out. If we look on the daily, we've got another little high just above, and then the next area is, you know, way up here. Well, there's nothing to say that price could blast through this, and then we start to get another continuation above the value area, and then it's enough to build volume to start to push higher, and you're positioned in a really nice long position that makes sense because you've had this strong push out, you've had the hourly continuation, and you've had the follow through. So I'm just waiting for this to develop its structure, but I like that we've already got a clear first touch. So if we get something this obvious, then that'll be a deliberate message to at least follow through to the upside. And if we measure the impulsive leg that it's come from, that clears those highs anyway. So that could be tapping into that minor little high above this value area before we start to get a strong break back in. And at that point, you know, this buy could be running 6-7%. So even if you manually closed at that point and you banked a strong, healthy 6%, that's a really decent trade, just taking advantage of this last push into the highs. So they are the three main pairs that I'm looking at going into today. Just need Aussie Kiwi to pull up to this area value where we can look for the dropout. And then dollar yen needs to build its structure. And EURCAD, we've got a clear base that we can start to work with. So we just need this to develop a little bit. And that could be a really nice long up into the next highs. So there may be some further developments on some of the other pairs where my watch list shifts around a little bit this afternoon, depending on what type of momentum comes in. But they are the main pairs that I'm looking at going into today. So I hope you enjoyed. I've still been getting some really good feedback around these forecasts, helping quite a lot of people, which I'm happy about. It helps me as well, being able to do this every morning and kind of just keep going over the knowledge that I know. So I'm glad that it's helping a lot of you. And thank you as always for the support every single week. Trade safe, and I will see you as usual tomorrow morning.